What up, what up? It's your boy Striker back with another Jeep vlog. In this beautiful blizzard, supposed to get about 12 inches. More of a continuation of that last video, but now I want to talk about this Jeep's handling in the snow. I was just kind of going off at the mouth last time, all random stuff, but all business. So anyways, let's get to it. Handling this Jeep is phenomenal. Of course, I'm in four-wheel, so some people are like, oh, you're cheating, you know, but when it comes down to it, great braking, great steering. I feel real planted. I feel like I got good grip, even though I can't even see 100 feet in front of my face. I don't feel like I'm doing a lot of sliding. Ooh, it just feels good. It feels how a vehicle should feel when you're driving in this crappy condition, and that's what my Jeep is all about. My Jeep is not a rock crawler. Uh-oh, got baby talk back there. But my Jeep is not a rock crawler, it's not a Rubicon, I don't have lockers. This Jeep is for one purpose and one purpose only, getting those babies back there talking from point A to point B safely. And this is a great vehicle for it. Uh-oh, I see some bunch of lights stuck on the hill up there. I'm sure someone's stuck in the middle of it, can't keep going. Bunch of buses are stuck, I bet you. But anyways, yes, this thing handles great. This is the thing you want. Look at this man with all his lights thinking his truck is badass. I should have put my side lights on for him. Or my... Whoa, easy. Wow. Fucking asshole. Just because you're out there does not mean you can just go. You can honk at me all you want. I'm not at work for once. Okay, I gotta get a little bit off topic. Sorry, I have to. Does it seem like to you that whenever someone's got a problem with the way you're driving, well, I guess since I drive for a living, this happens to me a lot more. But it just seems like only time I have anybody commenting or honking their horn or beeping at how I'm driving, it's because I'm at work and I can't comment back. I never have any problems when I'm in my personal vehicle driving any way I want to drive, but when I'm trying to drive extra careful in a work vehicle, they got people complaining about the way I'm driving. It's just hilarious. Anyways, back to what's important, the Jeep. Okay, so it handles great. You got all the power you need to get through this snow. It could have been another foot higher and I would have just been laughing like I am now. Because it's easy. Good times, good snow. See, the snow is not terribly deep yet. I'd say we've gotten about 2 inches so far, if that, 1.5 inches so far. It's supposed to keep going until, well, who knows? You know, the weatherman's the only man that can be wrong all the time and still get paid. But says it's gonna be going till noon tomorrow. Extremely doubt that. We'll get lucky if it goes all night, and I will be happy if it goes all night. Like I said, I do drive for a living, but I don't mind this stuff, you know. It's a reason to go slower in my book. Take your time and relax. I know a lot of people don't enjoy driving in this weather, but I do. So long story short, get you a Jeep. If you have any problems or reserves in driving in winter weather, if you hate it, if it's something that you don't like, it's not your cup of tea, it makes you feel like crap every time you got to get behind the wheel, get a Jeep. If you want to feel extra good about it, get a Rubicon, although I don't think you need the extras of the Rubicon to get through any snow. So I got the Sport. It's a winter weather beast. It's an extreme weather beast, you know? Nothing it can't handle. Nothing but good times. Plus you can do your normal driving. I gotta say, that is the biggest thing about this Jeep that is great. You can drive like the snow isn't snow. Like it's not snowing. Like there is no snow here. I mean, of course you're gonna get a little bit of tire spin when you turn corners fast, and you know, you can feel that there's snow underneath your tires, but for the most part, I mean, you don't have to change your driving vastly. You know, you give a little bit more room, of course, and all that other stuff you do in winter driving situations, but for the most part, like, just drive it, you know? Don't have to be all scared that you're gonna slide, you know, 50 million extra feet, or that you're gonna get up this hill and like, oh great, not this hill, or not another hill. You know, none of that. You just see another hill and you just don't even think about it. It's too easy. Long story short, Jeep can handle all the weather. Oh yeah, anything you got, it's ready for. 12 inches of rain or 12 inches of snow. Or me going by this person that cannot handle driving in this snow. But I'm gonna call it a day. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my next video, and I will catch you guys later. I'm thinking about getting that Evo. Could be getting it next week. Or I could be talking about why I didn't get it next week. Either way, should be coming up. You know, who'd have thought an Evo would save you money, right? Save you money. Oh yeah, save you money. Anyways, catch you next time. Peace.